today's video is going to be applicable to those who are living in BGC or who are planning to move to BGC in the future. As in today's video, I'm going to tour you around a number of gyms available in this area. Now, from what I've come to learn living in BGC for almost a year now, is that there isn't a perfect gym. There isn't one perfect gym anywhere here. Like, they all have their pros and cons, which I shall explain. First gym I'm going to show you around is located along 9th Avenue, straight down. And that is the Paddle Club, which is just behind me. If you're a long-time viewer, you know I've signed up here in the past, but right now my membership has expired, and if you haven't seen it before, I'm going to tour you around in today's video. All right, let's go inside. Okay, so this is the only outdoor gym in all of BGC, and it's equipped with quite a lot of machinery. So you've got your bench press and your squat racks that I don't have in my condominium gym. And they also do exercise classes and different sort of sessions in that corner over there. I've actually participated in something like this before, where they exercise like hitting sticks together, which is a very good cardio workout. I can't remember exactly what the name of it is, but this is what it looks like. It's cool because it's nice in the open and there's plenty of machinery here. But the cool thing about this gym is not only is it 24 hours open 7 days a week, but they've also got a paddle club here as well, and for anyone who's interested in playing paddle, as well as a restaurant situated at the top over there that you can order food from. It can get very loud here when the session's currently ongoing, but it's a great place to come watch sunset too, because there isn't anything hindering your view, but there soon will be. Actually, no, because that's where the turf place is. However, like I said earlier in the vlog, this place isn't perfect, and the main drawback for me is the mosquitoes here that come out at night. So you can't really exercise around about 10, 9 p.m. or even late at night, as I like to do. And then the other thing is also the amount of rust that builds up on the machines. Hello man, how'd you do? Long time no see. I'm good, how are you? Which makes it really inconvenient. Where's my scooter actually? Which makes it really inconvenient to try and adjust the machines and the pulleys for your optimum height. And obviously that is caused by the third reason, rain. When it rains here, there is no shelter and you can't really exercise unless you enjoy exercising in the rain, which I don't particularly like to do. But anyway, we shall now go on to the next gym. Woo! Oh, by the way, I haven't told you the membership plan. It's only 2k per month when you pay 24k up front, as in like a year's membership. It actually works out to 4k a month if you do it like pay as you go on a monthly basis. Saved it. Now, the second gym that comes to mind is probably the most specced out gym in all of BGC. It's got a basketball court in there, a full-size Olympic length pool, I believe. Oh, sorry, I've got the camera propped up on the bin here, as you can see. It's bi-level. I think it also has the most treadmills of any gym in BGC, and it's super exclusive because it's priced at almost 17,000 pesos per month on a monthly basis. But if you pay up front, you can get it for around about 9. But who's gonna pay 9k a month up front a year's advance? How much does that work out to? 108,000 pesos. Did I also mention that they have a steam room and cold plunge and sauna in there as well? Now, I've made a full video of the Shangri-La gym in a previous video, which I'll link to in the description below if you wanna watch that video after you're done watching today's video. Now, there is a move a scooter designated parking area over there, but there's so many people trying to get themselves on one of these scooters, and I don't want to relinquish this one because it's helping me make this video. I'll just stick with it because it's so hard to get yourself another move a scooter if you let go of it. But anyway, there's a gym right next to that designated parking area for these scooters. But you know, I've failed to actually in the past get up there. I don't know how to get up there, but let's see if Kuyas can help us. Oh, I think we gotta go that way or that way, I don't know. Hello cat. Let's go ask security. I've never been to this gym myself, so it'll be my first time, but I've seen it a number of times when I walk along 9th Avenue here. Oh, why isn't that flush with the ground? Look. Hello, Paul. How do I get to the gym?
Second floor, sir.
Second floor via which way? That way?
Stairs.
No, you cannot. It's the exit, right?
Left, sir, and then Nono side, stairs going up.
They said somewhere next to Nono's restaurant, which is here. Now, do we have to go through this building here to access the gym, or? Hello, Paul. Hi, sir. Do you know how to go to the gym?
Second floor.
Second floor. Which way? Through here? Oh, through here? Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna park this scooter here. I hope nobody takes it, because it is currently unlocked, so somebody could drive away and use this thing all day and they will charge my credit card. So I'm hoping they don't. Anyway, let's go inside. Thank you, Paul. On the right. Here? Paul, could you do me a favor? Could you keep an eye out on the scooter, yeah? Thank you. Alright, we made it to the second floor. There's a boxing Muay Thai gym at the end there called Elite. But where is the gym? I don't know. Is it by this way or this way? I've been here before, but I just couldn't find it. So, do you know where the gym is? Are you sure it's that one? Are you sure it's that one? This is not it. Hi, ma'am. I'm looking for the weight gym.
For slimmers?
Huh?
Slimmers?
Yeah, is that here?
Yeah, straight ahead and turn left. Straight ahead.
All the way.
Yes.
Well, apparently, this is it here. It's called Slimmer's World. Ah, is this it here? Man, this does not look like the entrance to a gym. It looks like an entrance to like a cosmetic surgery area. Is this a surgery or a gym?
Gym, sir, and face and skin.
Oh, okay. Why does it look like a surgery? I don't know. Anyway, can I have a look at the gym?
For the gym, sir. It's the moment, sir.
Why are you guys wearing hats like this? It makes me feel like you're about to carry an operation on someone. Ah,
Requesting for JP, cons JP reception area, please have them.
wait.
So we do facial.
Oh, so you do facial here and stuff like that? Oh man, that's why I'm so confused, because I came here earlier thinking it's a gym, or looking for the gym, and didn't realize this was the gym. Hello.
Sir, JP will assist you.
Okay, Jamie. Let's have a look at the gym quickly. I am vlogging. Thank you. Hi, man.
So is this your first time in here?
First time, yes.
Do you have any idea of Slimmer's World?
No. Wow, you do have quite a few, like, I don't know,
Yes.
cosmetic consultations, yeah?
Yes, sir. Actually, Slimmer's World is not only a gym. We have also face and skin in here and slimming treatment.
I
So
see.
here, sir, that's our consultation room.
Okay, so this is a gym called Slimmer's World, and I must say they have the most extensive rack of dumbbells. Look, it goes from that wall all the way down to the other end, and they've got bench presses, squat machines, squat racks, and a dance studio too. So it is pretty well specced out. And the person I was talking to earlier who showed me around says there's also a steam room in here. I'm not sure if there's a sauna too. I'll ask him later. But you have to pay 1 year in advance to join Slimmer's World, which is about 16,000 pesos a year. Oh, the dance class is starting up. And their dumbbells, I'm not sure if this is kg. That's got to be pounds, right? The heaviest dumbbell goes to 160 pounds. Holy shit.
You
Oh
want,
look,
sir?
yeah, is that available?
Yes.
Oh wow, what is it?
This is a ube, and this one naman is a pandan, sir.
It smells good.
Sure, sir. Kuha ka lang.
That's alright, yeah. Okay, thank you for the tour.
Sure, sir.
Thank you, bye bye. Bye bye, folks.
How are you?
I'm good.
I just transferred here from Canada.
Oh really? Are you welcome?
Yeah.
Is this part of Kenya?
Hey.
Wait, is this part of Kenya? You said you transferred from uptown to here.
Yeah, uptown. Do
Kenma
know
inside?
this? Kenma, no.
Oh, so the one.
Different, yeah.
Oh, they're friends,
You know
huh?
this thing?
Alright, take care, man. Okay, folks, that was the third gym in today's video. I now need to go and fetch my scooter, which is still there. Yeah. I should say thank you to Kuya, but I don't know where he's gone. is no longer there. Anyway. Now the cons of this gym, unfortunately, is you have to pay 1 year's advance. They don't have any sort of monthly payment, and it's purely a gym along with a dance studio. So there's not much more you can do here. But the next gym that I'm gonna show you around is located inside SM Aura, that also features a pool. Here we are, we've made it to SM Aura, but the only inconvenient thing at this moment in time is that I can't park this scooter anywhere near here. The closest parking area is at Market. So I'm heading there now, where I gotta drop this thing off and then walk all the way back to... Wait, actually, am I gonna drop it off? I haven't dropped this thing off the entire time, so maybe it's not a good idea. Make a U-turn! Someone's whistling profusely. Oh, it's the security guard there. These scooters are super heavy, especially these new gen. They've been over-engineered to probably support like 150 kilos. Hello. Now, I think the best way to access the next gym that I want to show you is going to the office towers here, which is where immigration is also located inside. What do I do with this electric scooter? I'll park it here, discreetly. Hi, ma'am. I want to go to SM Aura quick. Sorry, not SM Aura.
Okay.
Fitness First.
Business first, 5th floor, sir.
5th floor.
Yes,
Is it okay you just keep an eye out on my scooter?
Maybe
It's okay. I will only be 5
you
minutes.
need to bring the 5th floor.
You can?
Yeah.
You can bring the scooter inside?
Yes, sir,
Oh, okay.
it's not allowed there.
Okay, sure. Hello, ma'am. How are you? Good to see you. All right, 5th floor we can't access via these 6 elevators. It's the next set of elevators that we can get to the 5th floor. Hello, ma'am. How are you? Da-da-da-da. Hello, Paul. If you could keep that lift open for me. Yes.
Where are you going, sir?
5th floor.
Huh?
5th floor.
5th floor, sir?
Yes, Paul.
Sir, ano yun, sir? Mag-vlog po kayo, sir?
You want to come with me? Thank you. Just here, Fitness First. Right, I'm going to try and leave the scooter out here and quickly show you around the next gym, which is Fitness First here at SM Aura on the 5th floor. Okay, folks, I'm going to show you around the pool first. So the pool is located on the 2nd floor, which is just here. Now, do you know how many meters this pool is? It's like 20 meters now. And so I think this is a 20-meter length pool. It's a chlorine pool. And there's a few more treadmills up here and CrossFit machines too. Let's head down to the gym. You can see they've got quite an extensive area with treadmills, machines, your dumbbells, and squat racks, and they've got a pool on the 2nd floor too. Now the pricing plan for Fitness First is a 1-year contract, debited or credited, at 2,400 pesos every month. But it's pretty good. It's very good value for money. The only con for this Fitness First, in my opinion, is how far it's situated from where I am in Uptown. All right, let's get back on the mover. Okay, so that was the 4th gym. I think there are a few more scattered around BGC, but none of them really come to mind, and they're not of a significant size. So I'm gonna go back to Uptown, where I completely forgot about this one particular gym, which is located on the terrace of Uptown Mall. And that's going to be the last and final gym I show you guys in today's video. Right, I've finally given back my mover scooter. I've rented that thing out for about 1 hour and 20 minutes. How much does that work to? It's 30 pesos every 10 minutes. You work it out. Anyway, I'm going to show you the last and final gym, which is Anytime Fitness, and it's located on the terrace. Now let's quickly transport there now. And here we are. Let's go on inside and show you around. Well, folks, we're inside Fitness First, and there's 2 types of contracts where you can sign up for at this gym here. There's a 6-month contract and a 1-year contract. The 6-month contract is at 2,800 pesos every month, and the 1-year contract is at 2,650 pesos every month if you do 12 months, right? But you also have to pay for like a key fob, which costs like 2,500 pesos on top. But the good thing about Anytime Fitness is not only is it 24 hours, but that membership is valid worldwide at Anytime Fitness gym. A little play on words there. But the only cons about Anytime Fitness are that it is a little bit small, it is a little bit dark, and it does feel a little bit, you know, it feels a little bit old and dilapidated. It could do with a refresh, because I'm seeing stuff here and there that's just like broken. You have treadmills here, CrossFit machine, cable machines here too, a few more chest presses, leg presses along here, and you've got your squat racks in the corner over there too. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Well, folks, those were 5 gyms that I showed you in today's video. I've been meaning to make this video for a while now, but just haven't got around to doing it. So if you found today's video somewhat informative, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video, share it with friends and family, and I'll see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and bye for now.